How can I reactivate my deactivated Messenger account?
Hello everyone. Today we are going to guide you through the process of reactivating your deactivated Messenger account. It's a common situation to find yourself in. Perhaps you've taken a social media break, or you've deactivated your account for some other reason. Whatever the case may be, we're here to help you get your account back up and running.
Can I reactivate my Messenger account?
The first thing you might ask yourself is, can I reactivate my Messenger account? The answer is, yes, you can. As long as you've deactivated your account and haven't deleted it permanently, you should be able to reactivate it.
How do I reactivate my account?
Now, on to the next question. How do I reactivate my account? It's simpler than you might think. Follow the steps outlined below. 1. Log into Facebook. Open the Facebook app or go to facebook.com on your web browser. Since Messenger is tied to your Facebook account, you'll have to log back in to reactivate Messenger. 2. Enter your login information. Enter the email address or phone number and password associated with your account. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's a forgotten password link to help you reset it. 3. Check your inbox. If you chose to reset your password, check your email inbox for a password reset link from Facebook. Click on it and follow the prompts to set a new password. 4. Log back in. Once you've logged back into your Facebook account, your Messenger account should be automatically reactivated. Remember, Messenger is directly linked to your Facebook account, so when your Facebook account is active, your Messenger account should be active as well.
What if I still can't access my Messenger account?
Finally, you may be wondering, what if I still can't access my Messenger account? If, after following these steps, you're still having trouble accessing your account, it's recommended that you contact Facebook support for further assistance. They're there to help. And there you have it. That's all you need to know about reactivating your deactivated Messenger account. It's a relatively simple process, and before you know it, you'll be back to messaging your friends and family. Remember, if you're having any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to Facebook support. They're more than willing to help you get back to your conversations. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging!